I possess remarkable stamina and endurance, thriving through challenges and persevering alongside those I lead. I maintain strength and agility, embodying the discipline needed to lead with confidence and authority. I am resilient to adversity, overcoming physical hardships without allowing them to hinder my purpose. I am skilled in combat and unafraid to lead from the front, showing courage through action. I command presence with confidence and charisma, inspiring trust and respect wherever I go. I am driven by unshakable ambition, always striving to achieve greatness beyond expectation. I am a strategic thinker, analyzing every challenge to devise bold and effective plans. I lead with charisma and connect deeply with others, earning loyalty and inspiring belief in my vision. I understand human nature, using empathy and insight to forge strong alliances and navigate complexities. I am mentally resilient, learning from every setback and turning adversity into an opportunity for growth.